Upgrade RGB LED wired gamer headset 7.1 virtual surround sound stereo gaming headphones. Wide application. Support for PS4, Xbox One, PC, cell phone, PS Vita. A free audio and mic splitter is provided for PC. Tips: extra Xbox adapter, not included, is needed when connected with an old version of Xbox One. Noise cancelling microphone. Omnidirectional sensitive microphone with noise cancelling tech can transmit high quality communication. Get clearer voice quality and reduced background noise for an improved voice experience. 3D surround sound and deep bass. High intensity 50mm speaker drivers gives you the ultimate immersive experience, bringing you vivid sound field, sound clarity, shock feeling sound, perfect for various games like PUBG, God of War, Halo 5 Guardians, Fortnite, Call of Duty, CS, Go, Overwatch, World of Warcraft Legion, etc. Ergonomic design and easy volume adjustment. Lightweight design and memory protein earmuffs provide maximum comfort and individual fit, allow for long gaming sessions without fatigue. And provide excellent durability, suits all gamers at any age. Please comment your thoughts on this. Also subscribe to my UK Tech Hero channel to find out more about things like this, like and click the bell button. Item description.